So hey everyone, today we'll be covering what is ELK Stack and why it's needed. So imagine you are running a big restaurant. So you have orders, you have payments, and you have customer feedback which is constantly coming in. But if you don't track them properly, then things get messy, right? Now think of servers and applications. They generate tons of logs, just like restaurant transaction. How do we collect, store, and analyze these data efficiently? So that's where ELK Stack comes in. In this video, we'll break down ELK Stack in as simple way as possible. And by the end of this video, you'll understand what it is, how it works, and where it is useful. So, alright. So let's start with the basic. ELK Stack is a powerful open source tool for managing and analyzing log. It has three main components. E, which stands for Elasticsearch. It's sort of a Google for your logs. It helps you store and search for logs efficiently. Then next we have L, which stands for Logstash. It is like a translator that collects logs from different sources and formats them. Then K, which stands for Kibana. That is a visual dashboard where you can see the graphs, the charts, and trends from your logs. So quick analogy will help you to understand ELK Stack better. So ELK Stack is similar to the security system of a mall. Logstash is a camera that captures the footage, and Elasticsearch is the storage where all the footages are kept. And then Kibana is the screen where the security team watches the everything live. Now you might be wondering that why do I need to care about ELK Stack? Well, here is why. It provides centralized logging. So instead of searching through different log files, everything is at one place. Then you have faster troubleshooting option. You can instantly find errors and issues in real time. Then better security. It helps you to detect suspicious activity and security threats. Fun fact, did you know that companies like Netflix, Facebook, and LinkedIn uses ELK Stack? Yep, it's that powerful. Now let's start with how ELK Stack works. Let's break it down with a real world scenario. Imagine you are running an e-commerce website. Users visit the site, make purchases, and leave reviews. All of these actions generate logs. So how ELK Stack processes them is Logstash collects all the logs from the website, like orders or the payments or the errors, and then the Elasticsearch which stores and organizes those logs. And Kibana visualizes them so you can monitor the sales, the errors, and all the traffic trends. For example, if a user reports a payment failure, so instead of manually searching through the thousands of logs, you can just type payment failed in Kibana and instantly see when and why it happened. So, where is ELK Stack exactly used or actually used? Here are some scenarios where this is helpful. First is system monitoring to track the CPU usage or the memory usage and the network usage. Then security and threat detection, identifying if there are some hacking attempts or unusual behavior. And also in case of e-commerce and business analytics to monitor the sales, monitor the trends or even the customer interactions. For example, if you are running a web app, ELK Stack helps you to spot a spike in traffic, whether it's from a viral post or maybe from a cyber attack. So in the next video, we'll see how to set up a basic ELK Stack and get started with it. So that's a wrap for this video. You now understand what ELK Stack is, how it works, and why it's useful. If this sounds helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more content on monitoring and observability.